Hi everyone, I am Subhashree and welcome to my channel for the very first time. So for today's video, I created this look right here as you can see. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
For prepping my skin, I am taking Pond's Light Moisturizer. Now for my foundation, I am taking NYKAA SKINGENIUS foundation and applying it all over my face and neck and blending it with a damp sponge. Now for my concealer, I am taking Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS concealer in Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am applying it everywhere where I have dark spots and pigmentation and blending it again with my damp sponge. Now I am setting my concealer with the lighter shade in the Wet n Wild MEGAGLO contouring palette. Now I am taking the darker shade from the same palette and applying it as my bronzer. Now I am taking this orange shade and applying it as my blush in my cheeks, my nose and my chin. Now for my eyeshadow, I am taking this yellow shade and applying it as my transition shade. I am taking this orange shade and applying just below the yellow shade and blending it all in. Now I am taking this pink shade and applying it in my eyelids with a flat brush and blending it again with the previous shades. Now I am applying my mascara. I have already filled in my brows and applied a small winged eyeliner. Now I am applying my highlighters on all the highest points of my face. Now for my lipstick, I am taking this COLORBAR lipstick in the shade Wannabe.
So this is the final look. I hope you all liked it. And if you did, then please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.